Today we have something special for all smartphone videography enthusiasts, the Qubo Mobile Gimbal. If you have tried of shaky smartphone footage, stick around because this could be the solution you have been waiting for. Let's kick things off by unboxing the Qubo Mobile Gimbal. The packaging looks sleek and inside we find the gimbal itself, a user manual, a charging cable, a mini tripod and a carrying case. First impressions are positive, it's compact and well packed. Now let's dive into the key features of the Qubo Mobile Gimbal. It's made of high quality materials and feels sturdy in hand. What sets it apart is the advanced 3-axis stabilization technology, which ensures buttery smooth shots even during fast movements. Plus, it's compatible with most smartphones, making it a versatile choice for the creators. Setting up the Qubo gimbal is a breeze. Simply attach your smartphone, power it on, and follow the on-screen instructions. The calibration process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. It's designed to be user-friendly even for beginners. If you want to know the in-depth features of the app and gimbal controls, I already posted a dedicated video on it. Check the link in the description box or in the end screen. Now the moment of truth. How does the Qubo Mobile Gimbal perform? You can see the clear differences in stability and smoothness. Whether you are capturing landscapes, action shots or vlogging on the go, this gimbal delivers exceptional performance. Battery life is always a concern, but the Qubo gimbal impresses with its long-lasting battery. On average, you can expect 4 hours of continuous usage. Additionally, the companion app Qubo Pro enhances the gimbal's capabilities, allowing you to customize settings and access additional features. Come to the pros. It's compact and easy to carry anywhere. It delivers the output that it's meant for. The app, which is helpful to access the features in the gimbal, is supported for both Android and iOS. This app lets users record 4K also, which is not the case in other gimbals, even though your mobile is supported for 4K video recording. Face tracking, object tracking, autofocus and many more features are there that are much needed for a gimbal. Gimbal controls are good and user-friendly. If you use for a couple of times, you get those options with ease. Type-C slot is also there for charging. Finally, there is no subscription is needed to use the app, even though it's named as Qubo Pro. Come to the cons. The first thing is no grips are there for the gimbal, which is must do not fall from your hands. Second thing, after turning it off, I noticed that it was not turning off completely. If I try to move the top part a little bit, then it turns off completely. I don't know whether it is correct or not. There is no USB Type-A slot. This is exceptional if you carry a power bank. It is handy for the smartphones to charge while on the go. I have seen this feature in DJI Digitech gimbals. I noticed lags in the app when I click a photo and move the mobile little bit. It's a software issue. It can be solved by app update. These extra features only work in the Qubo Pro app. It won't work in your mobile default app. This is not a con, but for you I'm sharing this info. In conclusion, the Qubo Mobile Gimbal is a game changer for smartphone videography. Its outstanding stabilization, user-friendly and impressive battery life make it a top choice for content creators. If you want to take your smartphone videography to the next level, check out the Qubo Gimbal. You can find the links to purchase this gimbal in the description. It's an affiliate link. If you buy anything from that, I get some commission so that I can review more products like this. Thanks in advance for clicking the link and buying anything from it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews and let me know your thoughts about this gimbal in the comment box. If in case you are interested in different gimbals, these videos are for you.